This is a quick overview of my project so far. This lidar camera ultrasonic fusion sensor thing. I realized the steppers are like a bad choice, no position, but in my mind at the time I was like, it's more precise. And I'm using the Raspberry Pi over there, so the code I was trying out with the servos, you move set them by like duty cycle. It was not very good. I don't know if it's because of the software, PWM, or what, but like the servos would just move randomly on their own. Anyway, this pan tilt system is designed to rotate around a center point, like shared between the two sensors. And ultimately it's like a super bulky design. It's not really I don't know, ideally you'd have like the motors directly on the ends or something, but that makes it like way wider. Anyway, the camera like sits directly above, see it here. So there's like a top layer that I'm like gonna print after I finish designing it. The battery slides in the back. The two stepper boards are on top with the Pi. The idea is like the camera takes a picture, uses OpenCV to determine roughly like in pixels how far away things are, and then from that like determine how far to move the steppers, and then get a position of like the center of the centroids. And you can see like brief demo of this thing moving, which which one of the other problems is these wires are really stiff, and it affects the ability of the thing to move around without any resistance. So that's also a bad design. I think in the end it'll just be like a block that can pivot. But yeah, I mean, if it works the way I intend it to work, it'll be a good like stepping ground. But the Pi Zero is like really bad processing wise. Like I'll run a Canny Edge or some other script and it takes like 30 times as long as a quad core Pi. So I don't know what to do about that. I have a thought of like using a EPI. I'll just take the picture on the robot and then upload it, get the analyzed pictures back, which would tell the samples to take with the steppers and the sensors. So I don't know. That's where this is at right now. Yeah, that's it.